Let's start with a number that changes everything: 87%. A recent Stanford study found that 87% of media headlines about AI are framed around one thing: threat. Job loss, replacement, obsolescence. This is not an accident. It is a brilliant, devastating misdirection. While your attention is locked on that manufactured fear, a different story is unfolding in plain sight. In the last 18 months, over 300,000 new millionaire-tier bank accounts have been created in the United States alone. Not from crypto, not from meme stocks, from the systematic, quiet application of artificial intelligence in niches no one is glamorizing on TV. The problem isn't that AI is coming for your job. The problem is that you've been hypnotized into seeing it only as a competitor, when the real players are using it as the most prolific business partner in human history. They are not working for AI. AI is working relentlessly for them. Welcome to the hidden truth. Welcome to Cashify logic. To understand the system, you must see it as a pyramid. At the bottom, the public narrative. At the top, the real wealth. Let's climb it. Tier 1. The invisible infrastructure, the railroad barons. This is the bedrock. The NVIDIA GPUs, the Azure and AWS cloud compute power, the foundational models from OpenAI, Anthropic, and Meta. The first fortunes here were made by investors and founders. For you and me, that ship has largely sailed. But this tier creates the electricity for the next 3. Your goal isn't to build the power grid. It's to build the appliances that run on it. Tier 2. The tools and access layer, the democratizers. This is your entry point. Think of platforms like Bubble, Make, Zapier, and countless AI agent builders. 5 years ago, automating a business required a $50,000 software development contract. Today, it requires a $49 monthly subscription and a weekend of focused learning. These tools have turned complex code into visual flowcharts. They have turned AI capabilities like vision, language, and data analysis into drag-and-drop blocks. This layer has erased the technical moat. The only moat left is creativity and execution. Tier 3. The arbitrage and automation layer, the silent operators. This is where the new millionaires are currently being minted. It's the application of tiers 1 and 2 to create massive leverage in existing markets. This isn't about inventing something new. It's about doing the old thing with 100x the efficiency and scale. We see 3 dominant patterns. The content multiplier. One person using AI for research, scripting, video editing, and SEO can now output the volume of a 10-person media company. They dominate niches on YouTube, affiliate sites, and digital publications. The service scale fire. A single AI-augmented freelancer in coding, design, copywriting can now deliver projects at the speed and quality of a small agency, capturing agency-level fees while having minimal overhead. The market gap exploiter, using AI to analyze data, social trends, e-commerce prices, local service gaps, to spot and act on inefficiencies faster than any human ever could. Buying low, selling high on digital steroids. Tier 4. The asset creation layer, the new landlords. This is the ultimate destination. This isn't about trading time for money, even efficiently. This is about using AI to build and own self-sustaining digital assets. An AI-curated newsletter that sells premium subscriptions. A network of niche websites generating automated ad revenue. A suite of SaaS tools built with no-code backends. These are not jobs. They are owned properties that spin off cash flow 24/7. The human is not the operator. They are the board of directors. Let's move from the abstract to the concrete. Here is how a silent operator builds a system in 2026. Blueprint 1. The hyper-niche digital authority. Step 1. The niche use AI, Perplexity, ChatGPT to find a passionate, underserved audience. Not fitness, but kettlebell workouts for men over 40 with bad knees. Step 2. The content engine use AI, Claude, Gemini, to research and outline a year's worth of content, articles, short scripts, email sequences. Use AI video tools, HeyGen, in video with faceless avatars and voiceovers to produce it. Step 3, the monetization layer on affiliate offers for specific knee sleeves, niche supplements, and digital programs. Use AI to write compelling reviews and comparisons. The result, a 24/7 lead and sales generation machine focused on an audience so specific, it faces almost no competition. One person manages what looks like a major media outlet. Blueprint 2, the local business dominance engine. The insight, every town has skilled tradespeople, electricians, roofers, cleaners, who are terrible at business generation. The system, you use AI to build them a turnkey lead machine. AI builds their website. AI writes their local SEO content. AI manages their Google business profile, generating posts and responding to reviews. An AI phone agent like Bland AI qualifies the initial calls. The role, you become the AI marketing director for 10 such businesses in non-competing regions. You take a 15 to 20% cut of all new business generated. You are not a plumber. You are the owner of a scalable, repeatable system that sells plumbing, or roofing, or cleaning in multiple cities simultaneously. The core mindset shift from linear income to compound systems. Your paycheck is linear. 1 unit of time, 1 unit of money. A system is compound. You build it once and it produces value repeatedly, often increasing over time. Your sole focus must shift from, how do I get paid today? To, what system can I build that will pay me while I sleep? And how can I use AI to build it 10x faster? This isn't about motivation. It's about a protocol. Here is your first month. Deconstructed. Week 1, demolition and discovery. Action. Consume no fear-based AI news. Your only task is to explore one no-code/AI tool platform. Start with make.com or Bubble. Follow a basic tutorial. Build a simple automation that takes a news headline and posts it to a dummy Twitter account. You have just built your first link in a chain. Week 2, niche identification and process mapping. Action. Choose a micro-niche you understand or are curious about. Write down the 5-step manual process for a tiny business in that niche. Example 1. Find a popular product on Amazon. 2. Find it cheaper on Alibaba. 3. Create a Shopify listing. 4. Run a TikTok ad. 5. Fulfill the order. Your goal is to see the machine, not the mystery. Week 3. Automate the first critical link. Action. Take step 1 from your process. Can AI do it? Use a tool to scrape data or analyze trends. Automate just that. Don't build the whole machine. Just perfect one gear. This gives you the confidence of tangible progress. Week 4. Connection and monetization test. Action. Connect your first automated gear to a second step. Then, find one real person who might want the output. Offer it for a tiny fee or for feedback. You are not launching a business. You are validating a system. The first $1 earned by an automated system you built is worth more than a $10,000 paycheck psychologically. It is proof of concept. Visual prompt. A simple 4-week calendar with these steps clearly illustrated with icons. A hammer, demolition, a magnifying glass, discovery, a gear, automate, a link chain, connect, dot. They will keep selling you the story of threat because a scared population is a compliant one. A distracted population is not a competitive one. But now you see the truth. The AI millionaire isn't a genius programmer in a Silicon Valley loft. They are the curious freelancer who automated their client reporting and now sells that as a service. They are the hobbyist who turned their niche knowledge into an automated digital library. They are the person who saw a tool and asked, "What system can this help me build?" The hidden system is not gate-kept by technical knowledge anymore. It is gate-kept by perspective. The door is open. The tools are on the table. The only question that remains is this. Will you spend the next year consuming stories about the future they're predicting for you? Or will you spend it quietly, systematically, building the one you choose for yourself? The silent revolution is here. It's time to find your blueprint and start building. This is Cashify Logic. See the system. Build your future.